In today's video, I am going to teach you how to update Google Chrome in laptop. To begin, open Google Chrome on your laptop. You can do this from your desktop, your taskbar, or the Start menu, depending on where you normally launch it from. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. There you will see the three-dot menu icon. Click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. This menu gives you access to many browser settings and tools, including the option we need for checking updates. After the menu opens, move your cursor down to Help. When you place your cursor over Help, another small menu will appear. This section is where Chrome keeps support and version information along with the update page. From that Help menu, click on About Google Chrome. As soon as you open this page, Chrome will automatically check to see whether a newer version is available. In many cases, you do not need to do anything else. Chrome starts the update process on its own if an update is found. If an update is available, give it a little time to download and install. The speed will depend on your internet connection and your computer, but it usually finishes quickly. Once the update is complete, Chrome may ask you to relaunch the browser. If you see that option, click Relaunch so the update can fully apply. It is a good idea to save any work in your open tabs before relaunching, just to be safe. You can simply close the About Chrome page and continue browsing as normal. That covers everything you need to know.